Good morning, friends. Uh, in this video, we are formulating LPP problem from the given statement. So the statement goes like this. A firm is manufacturing two types of products, A and B. So and selling them at a profit of 5 rupees. So that is by selling each piece of model A. So it is getting a profit of 5 rupees and 3 rupees profit on selling each unit of type B. So each product is processed on two machines, M1 and M2. Now type A requires 1 minute of processing time on machine 1 and 2 minutes of time on M2. Similarly, type B requires 1 minute on machine 1 and 1 minute on machine 2. So the machines M1 and M2 are respectively available for at most of 5 hours and 6 hours during any working day. That means machine 1 is available for 5 hours in any working day and M2 is available for 6 hours in any working day. So find out how many units of each type of product, that is A and B, will be the firm is going to produce in a day, so that the firm is maximizing its profit. Formulate the LP problem as a LPP problem. So we'll consider the product A production will be X number of units and the product B will be Y number of units will be manufactured. So that means we have two products A and B. The number of products A produced will be taken as X units and the number of product units produced product B will be Y units. So the number of product produced cannot be negative. So x comma y will be either greater than or equal to 0. If nothing is produced, x will take 0 value or y will take a 0 value. If we produce some units of A, x will be having some value, and if we produce some units of B, so y will be having some value. So the time spent by each product on the two machines M1 and M2 as stated here. So type A requires 1 minute on M1 and 2 minutes on M2. So that is what written in the table. Product A 1 minute on M1 and 2 minutes on M2. Similarly, your type product B requires 1 minute each on both M1 and M2 here. So 1 minute each on both the machines M1 and M2. So here, so the machines M1 and M2 are available for 5 hours and 6 hours respectively in a day. So in terms of minutes, so 5 hours means 60 into 5. So 300 minutes machine M1 is available, and M2 it is available for 6 hours. So in terms of minutes it is 60 into 6. So that is 360 minutes. Now the constraints are whether you process product A or product B. So machine 1 is available for 300 minutes. So if I produce 1 unit of A, so the time spent is 1 minute. So if we produce X number of units, so it is 1x it is. Similarly, if we produce 1 unit of B, it is 1 into, if I produce Y number of units, so it is 1y. So on 1 unit, the time spent is 1 minute. So for Y number of units, it is 1y. So 1x plus 1y is greater than or equal to 300. Similarly, on 1 unit of product A, time spent on machine 2 is 2 minutes. If I produce X number of units, total time spent on product A is 2 into X. Similarly, here it is 1 into Y. So 2X plus Y less than or equal to 360 minutes. So the firm is going to manufacture two types of products A and B. So sells them at profit of 5 rupees per unit of type A. That is by selling 1 unit of A, 5 rupees is the profit, and selling 1 unit of B, 3 rupees is the profit. If X number of units are produced of product A, the profit obtained is 5x. So it is 5x. Similarly, for 1 unit of B, it is 3 rupees profit of type B. So for Y number of units produced of product B, it is 3Y. So total profit Z is now 5x plus 3y. Since the objective function is profit, it has to be maximized. So z is equal to 5x plus 3y to be maximized. So thus the mathematical formulation of LPP goes like this. So the objective function z to be maximized. So it is maximized z is equal to 5x plus 3y. So 5x is the profit obtained from product A and 3y is the profit obtained from product B. So altogether 5x plus 3y from both the products A and B. So this is from our profit point of view. So now subjected to the machine hours constraints. So the constraints are, it is stated here. So 1x plus 1y less than or equal to 300. By processing X number of units of A and Y number of units of B, so the total time spent on machine 1 should not exceed 300 minutes. So it is 1x plus 1y less than or equal to 300. So that is what written here. Similarly, coming to the machine 2, M2, so whether it is produced the product A or B, so X number of units of product A, so time spent will be 2x, and Y number of units of product B, so it is 1 into Y, so 2x plus 1y, so less than or equal to 360 minutes. So that is written here. So and x comma y will be greater than or equal to 0. The products produced cannot be negative. So x and y will be taken any value either equal to 0 or greater than 0. So the objective function statement is this: maximum z is equal to 5x plus 3y, and the constraints are shown here. Thank you, friends.